Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2023 Lakota Charger 14-foot short wall. This is an 8314 dual aisle in Merhow terms. Let me go over here and give you their actual model number for this trailer real quick, and that way I have the exact model number for you. This is a C8314CE. So it's an 8314 Charger, charcoal in colors with graphics. It has dual hydraulic jacks, 2 propane tanks, lockable aluminum battery box, and spare. The only thing wrong with this trailer, the only thing wrong, 100% cosmetic. There are some lines where trees have run down the top of the trailer. They're faint. They probably will polish out. We don't get that deep on our wash here. It's kind of hard for me to show you. I'll try to. I'm not sure if you can see them. They're very faint, but they're there. So I wanted to point that out. That's actually the only thing wrong with this trailer. This trailer is an immaculate shape, one owner. It's got the big slide. It's got the fridge in the slide box layout. It has, I've got those windows up. I just had them drop down for the pictures, but 3 drop down windows with bars, 2 manger doors for storage, escape door with flip up step into the escape area. Load light package, so it's got load lights all the way around with switches. It does have a hay rack and extended ladder. Aluminum wheels. Got the extrusion, that's the ribbed aluminum there on this side. 30 amp service. Does have a freshwater tank, a freshwater pump, rear ramp. It's got a collapsible rear tack, blanket bar, brush box, extra hooks there on the door, 3-tier saddle rack. Three-tier saddle rack. It's got the bridle hooks there on the inside, doubly there on the wall. Horse box is immaculate. Doesn't even look like a horse has ever been in this trailer. It is immaculate. Fully lined and insulated, roof vents, fans, big drop back windows, and I've got those open. Rubber is in excellent shape even on the back door. Lower divider. Can't complain about this trailer, guys. It's immaculate. Walk-through door. Padding is good. Like I said, I mean, it doesn't even look like a horse has been in this trailer. The trailer is in excellent shape. This side of the trailer, we'll check, make sure on the scratches on it as well. I can't remember. Yeah, it looks like it might have a few underneath the awning. Big power awning with the plastic cover over top. Yeah, I mean, it might have a few there right at the top of the door. The sun is in my face. I can't tell if you can see what I can see, but it definitely has one on this side too. So it's on both sides of the trailer, up high. They're very faint, but I want to point out everything about the trailer. That, again, is the only thing wrong with this trailer. The interior is just as clean and as nice as the outside and the horse box. So it's got indoor-outdoor speakers, 110 outlet here on the outside, flip-up step into the camper area. Stepping up in the LQ, as I said, I call it a dual aisle. You'll see why here just in a moment. So this is the couch and the fridge on the slide box. It gives you a lot of floor space. Here's why we call it a dual aisle. So you got two 2 sets of steps on either side of the bed. It does have a TV and storage above and below. In the bed area, it has cabinets up in the nose. It does have the extra TV here in the bedroom area. Spinning around. It does have the bar, so it's got 2 bar stools. Tons of floor space. Ducted AC propane furnace. Cabinets there above the bar. This does have a electric and gas hot water heater. So that's an added bonus. Again, ducted AC propane furnace. Couch does make a bed. And honestly, you could put a cot in the floor here or another air mattress. I mean, there's a ton of room in this trailer, guys. And you can still walk around and get to the bathroom. Rear kitchen, double stainless sink, cabinets above, microwave, 2-burner gas top stove. Clean trailer. Kind of can see the floor space this way. All right, I'm gonna spin back around. Bathroom is pocket bathroom door, walk-through door. It does have the wardrobe style closet and drawer system. They've put a couple extra shelves in here, hanging space and shelves. Then of course you have the drawers, more space. The octagon style shower, skylight. Fantastic fan, sink and vanity. Got storage here with your hot water heater. So this is an 8314 Charger. I call it the dual aisle edition. It's got the privacy thing on the door, and that's a hide-a-screen door. So clean trailer, 3 horse. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me is that 828-773-4500. We don't put price or any other information on our YouTube ads. Please go to carolinatrailersales.com for more information and price of this super nice 2023 8314 Lakota. Again, Carolina Trailer Sales. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.